Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If your laptop just won't connect to Wi-Fi, no matter what you try, don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven fixes to get your laptop connected again. Make sure to watch till the end because one of these methods will definitely solve your problem. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, let's start with Device Manager. Go to your search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager. Open it up and look for network adapters. Click the small arrow beside it. You'll see a list of adapters. Find the one that says Wi-Fi in its name. That's your wireless adapter. Now, right-click on it and choose Disable Device. Click Yes when prompted. Your Wi-Fi will temporarily turn off. Once it's disabled, right-click again and select Enable Device. Give it a few seconds to restart. Next, right-click the same adapter once more and choose Update Driver. Then click Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an update, install it and restart your laptop. This simple refresh often fixes connection issues right away. If that didn't work, let's move on to WLAN AutoConfig, a service that controls Wi-Fi connections. Go back to your search bar and type services, then open it. Scroll down alphabetically until you find WLAN AutoConfig. Double-click it. If the startup type says manual or disabled, change it to automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Now, if the service status says stop, click Start, then Apply again. Close the window, and this should ensure your Wi-Fi service runs every time your laptop starts. Still not working? Let's reset the network settings. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and click Network Reset. Hit Reset now, then Confirm. Once that's done, restart your laptop. This will reinstall all network drivers and should clear out any configuration issues. And if none of those worked, here's a final fix that often does the trick. Press the Windows key, type Run, and open it. In the box, type msconfig and click OK. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab, click Enable All, then Apply and OK. Restart your computer and check if your Wi-Fi is finally working. By this point, your laptop should be back online and connected to your Wi-Fi network. If it worked for you, let me know which method did the job down in the comments. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.